Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Coin98. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that Coin98 has formed a quite big up channel after breaking out a big falling wedge pattern. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that finally we have broken down the support of this up channel rather than breaking out the resistance of this channel. You can see we got rejection here in the month of March 2024. And after that, we had a big drop and broke down the support. And now the price line is retesting the previous resistance. That was a very, very massive resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And it is retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. At the same time, there is also a very, very big hidden bullish divergence flashed on this 7 days time frame chart. As you can see that the price line has formed higher low than previous low. At the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that it is entered the oversold zone and forming lower than previous. So this is a very, very big hidden bullish divergence signal. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can re-enter the same up channel that is broken down. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the current month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Dream Finance, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 19th of March 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very, very massive pump, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Coin98. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that for the past several months, it has been moving inside this wedge. And I've been telling you that once it will be able to break out this wedge, then we can expect a very, very massive rally. And you can see that bull run has just begun. And so far, from this low to this high, it has pumped almost 288%, but could not break out this up channel. You can see that when it was moving inside this previous wedge, just before the breakout, it formed this up channel. We found the support and resistance of this channel, and now recently, after getting rejected by the resistance of the channel, the price and it's dropped down, and now it is retesting the previous resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, this red cloud, as support, and did not break down the upper bands and still moving above this upper bands of the cloud. If it will break down this upper bands, then it can drop down at the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. At the same time, it will be also testing this long-term support of 18 cents as well that was previously working as a support here, resistance here, and support here. And again, it can work as a strong support. So far, so good. We have this support of Ichimoku, the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And at the same time, there is also a hidden bullish divergence flashed on this chart. That is a bullish price reversal signal. You can see that price line is forming higher low than previous low, and stochastic is forming lower than previous low, and now we are receiving a bull cross like this. The blue line is crossing up the orange line. That's a buying signal by the stochastic oscillator from the oversold zone with the a hidden bullish divergence signal. Therefore, now there is a probability that the price may soon try to re-enter the same up channel that is previously broken down, and this time the previous support of the channel can work as a resistance, and we will have this crisscross of the two resistance levels. One will be the resistance of 35 cents and the resistance of this up channel that was previously in fact working as a support for this channel. If we take a look at this 35 cents resistance, then you can see that previously it had been working as a very, very strong support here for several weeks, and after the breakdown it was flipped into a very long-term resistance. And we got rejection here, here, and here, and here as well. And after the breakout, again, it worked as a support. And now it can, again, work as a strong resistance for the price line. Now, if we take a look at the fine target for this very, very massive breakout from this big falling wedge pattern, that move is still due. And that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $6.50 to $7. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.